The problem is this is my partition, and whenever I try to delete any folder or file from this partition, I face this issue. Unable to find or create trash directory. So if I want to delete any file, I have to delete it permanently. I cannot just move it to trash folder. So to fix that, there was a issue from my end. Where whenever you install your Linux system, by default this user session defaults is set to turn on, and if this is set to active, then your partition, your external partition devices, they won't auto mount whenever you start your PC. So I decided to change that to off, so that these partitions will auto mount whenever I start my PC. But because of that, a new problem was happening. I was not able to move any files to my trash folder, so I have to change it back on, and we will see how to auto mount these drives at startup without turning this off. Okay, so let's set it on mount and mount again. Now if we want to delete this, then it will be deleted, and this will be moved to the trash directory here. So one problem is solved. Now we want to remount this partition whenever we boot up the system. To do that, we have to change our fstab file, and before doing anything with your fstab file, always back it up. You can just back it up using this. This is your fstab, and you can back it up like this. Hit enter, and it will be backed up. Okay, so we move on to the changing part. Sudo xed stab. So this section of texts were not there. This were not there. I added this to solve the auto mount issue. This is just like comments, so you can add anything just to identify your stuff. This is UUID, and this belongs to my partition. To get your UUID and mount point and anything in this default UUIDs, we'll show you how to get them. To get your UUID, you need BLK ID. Yes. Okay, so this HDA1 is my partition, is my 1 terabyte hard disk, and these are my system partition, so I won't touch them. I just want to get the ID of this drive. Type is interface, and we also want the mount point, this. So to get that, you can type lsblk. This is the mount point, and the default UID GID. To get that, you can type ID, and this is the UID and GID. Okay, and rest, this I don't know what are they. If you know what they mean, what they do, please write about this in the comment box. I would like to learn about them. After that, after you have added this UID, mount point, NTFS, and all this text, you can just save it and restart your PC, and hopefully this drive will get auto mounted on the restart. Thank you.